it's time. Hey guys, and welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay, and today we have an interesting vlog for you guys. We are doing a tour of the Ocean Coral Spring Hotel. Alright guys, so right now we're just walking around and looking at the different places that they had. They had some stores on our left, and on our right we had the activities, showtime, bowling, virtual reality, a lot of restaurants, and so on. We also had to the left a sports bar, which I never went to, sadly, but yeah, I never went to any of those places on the left.
People everywhere you go, you find water. So if you look over that side, put the camera there, you see water. Over that side, you find water.
This is the Martha's Market, and it opens breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It is a international cuisine.
These are some of the rooms. These are just some. We have like 1,000,001 of them. Down here is the kids section. Went here yesterday, and the kids are hard to children. It was fun, although the thing was hard, but yeah. And there's an next pool over that side. Continuing the tour, as I said, this is one set of the rooms, just one set, people. I know I'm not get for showing everything because we got a lot, and there's no way I can show you everything because I need to enjoy at least a little bit of my time. And we are left today, so it's just one night. All right, guys. So this is one of the, what you call it, the pool in front of the room kind of thing. Yeah, I don't have one of these rooms, but oh, so cute. And I think it's on the other side as well, but yeah. Have a volleyball thing in the water. over there. It has a restaurant right there when you're right snap off. Where? Oh, cool. It has a jerk place over here, so. And the beach ahead. So I guess you go on these guys. I'm gonna find them something. one nice overview area on this one.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the tour. There are some places I didn't get to go because it was only one night, but you know, we're gonna save to go here again. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.